Welcome to Khairpur, y'all. We're about to dive deep into a city that's basically a highlight reel of what makes Pakistan so special. Think ancient history, vibrant culture, the kind that'll make you want to get up and dance, and natural beauty that'll make you rethink your next vacation spot. We're talking lush landscapes, majestic palaces, and a history that goes way back. This isn't just another travel vlog, this is about understanding the soul of a city, its people, and what makes it tick. So buckle up because we're about to explore Khairpur, Pakistan in all its glory. Alright, history buffs, this one's for you. If you have a passion for history and a love for exploring the past, then you're in for a treat. Today we're diving deep into the rich and fascinating history of Khairpur, a city that holds a treasure trove of stories and secrets from a bygone era. Khairpur wasn't always just another city in Sindh. It has a unique and illustrious past that sets it apart from other cities in the region. This city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the passage of time in ways that few other places have. Back in the day, it was the capital of its own state, the Khairpur state. Imagine a time when Khairpur was a bustling hub of political and cultural activity, a place where decisions that shaped the region were made, and where the echoes of history still resonate today. Think royalty palaces, the whole 9 yards. The grandeur of Khairpur's royal past is evident in its magnificent palaces and opulent architecture. These structures are not just buildings, they are symbols of a time when Khairpur was a beacon of power and prestige. And the best part? They left behind some seriously impressive architecture. The intricate details and grand designs of these historic buildings are a testament to the skill and artistry of the craftsmen who built them. Each structure tells a story, each detail a piece of the puzzle that is Khairpur's history. We're talking about the Faiz Mahal, a palace that screams grandeur. This isn't just a building, it's a masterpiece of architecture and design. The Faiz Mahal stands as a proud reminder of Khairpur's royal legacy, a place where history comes alive and the past is ever present. This isn't just a building, it's a testament to Sindhi craftsmanship and a reminder of Khairpur's royal legacy. The detailed craftsmanship of the Faiz Mahal is a marvel to behold, with every corner and every surface showcasing the skill and dedication of the artisans who created it. But here's the thing about Khairpur, it's not stuck in the past. While the city cherishes its rich history, it has also embraced modernity and progress. The streets of Khairpur are a blend of the old and the new, where ancient traditions coexist with contemporary lifestyles. The city's history isn't just confined to museums and ruins, it's woven into the fabric of everyday life. As you walk through the streets of Khairpur, you can feel the presence of history all around you. The historical landmarks stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, while the daily life of the city continues to thrive around them. You feel it in the bustling bazaars and the chai shops, where stories are shared, and in the traditions that have been passed down for generations. The vibrant markets of Khairpur are a sensory delight, filled with the sights, sounds and smells of a city that is alive with history. In the chai shops, locals gather to share stories and keep the traditions of the past alive. And in the daily activities of the people, you can see the enduring legacy of Khairpur's royal past. Okay, let's talk culture, because Khairpur is bursting with it. This city, nestled in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, is a treasure trove of traditions and customs that have been preserved and cherished for centuries. From the moment you step into Khairpur, you can feel the pulse of its rich cultural heritage. The streets are alive with the sounds, sights and smells that tell the story of a community deeply rooted in its past, yet vibrantly living in the present. We're not talking about some manufactured tourist trap kind of culture either. This is authentic, unfiltered and raw. The local markets are bustling with vendors selling everything from traditional Sindhi attire to handcrafted jewelry. The air is filled with the aroma of local delicacies being prepared right in front of you. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. This is the real deal, passed down through generations and woven into the very fabric of daily life. Families gather in traditional settings, sharing stories and meals that have been part of their heritage for as long as they can remember. The elderly, dressed in traditional Sindhi attire, are the keepers of these stories, passing them down to the younger generations with pride and love. Think vibrant music that'll make you want to get up and dance. The rhythms of traditional Sindhi music are infectious, played on instruments that have been used for centuries. The melodies are both haunting and uplifting, capturing the essence of the Sindhi spirit. Intricate crafts that'll blow your mind. The artisans of Khairpur are masters of their trade, creating works of art that are both beautiful and functional. From hand-woven textiles to intricately designed pottery, each piece tells a story of skill, dedication, and cultural significance, and folk dances that tell stories without a single word. These dances are a form of storytelling passed down through generations, each movement and gesture rich with meaning and history. The dancers, dressed in vibrant traditional attire, move in perfect harmony, their expressions and movements conveying tales of love, valor, and community. And the best part? The people of Khairpur are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with the world. They wear their traditional attire with pride, their faces lighting up with smiles as they talk about their customs and traditions. Their pride is palpable, and it's impossible not to be swept up in their enthusiasm. They welcome you with open arms and infectious smiles, inviting you to join in the celebrations. Whether it's a community gathering or a family event, you're made to feel like a part of the family. The warmth and hospitality of the people of Khairpur are truly unmatched. Whether it's Sindhi New Year or Eid, the celebrations are grand and inclusive. The entire community comes together to celebrate with music, dance, and feasting. It's a time of joy and togetherness where everyone is welcome to join in the festivities. Trust me, there's no better way to experience a culture than by celebrating with the locals. The festivals of Khairpur are a true reflection of its cultural richness, and being a part of these celebrations is an experience you'll never forget. So come to Khairpur, immerse yourself in its cultural tapestry, and create memories that will last a lifetime. You might be surprised to hear this, but Khairpur is an agricultural powerhouse. Yeah, you heard that right. And it's all thanks to the mighty Indus River. This lifeline of Pakistan flows through the region, transforming the arid landscape into fertile land. We're talking fields of wheat, rice and cotton stretching as far as the eye can see. And the Khairpur Canal, that's the unsung hero, channeling the Indus's waters and breathing life into the land. But it's not just about economics, it's about a way of life. For generations, families have worked this land, their livelihoods intertwined with the rhythm of the seasons. It's a testament to human resilience and the power of nature to sustain us. Hold up, nature lovers, because Khairpur has a surprise for you. It's a haven for wildlife. Yeah, you heard that right. Just a stone's throw from the city lies Khairpur National Park, a sprawling wilderness that's home to some seriously cool creatures. We're talking leopards, wild boars, and a birdwatcher's paradise. Seriously, if you're into avian diversity, pack your binoculars and thank me later. And it's not just about the animals. The park boasts a diverse flora too, with trees, shrubs and plants thriving in this semi-arid climate. It's a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way. So whether you're an avid hiker, a wildlife enthusiast, or just looking to escape the city buzz, Khairpur National Park is calling your name. Okay, let's talk tourism, because Khairpur deserves a spot on your travel bucket list. And no, I'm not just talking about a quick stopover. This city will surprise you with its hidden gems. We've already talked about the majestic Faiz Mahal, but there's so much more. Khairpur is dotted with shrines of Sufi saints, each with its own unique story to tell. These aren't just religious sites, they're cultural landmarks that offer a glimpse into the spiritual heart of the region. And for the adventure seekers, well, Khairpur National Park is a no-brainer. But even within the city, you'll find hidden courtyards, bustling bazaars and tea stalls that have witnessed generations come and go. All right, let's talk weather, because Khairpur doesn't mess around. We're talking scorching summers that'll make you sweat buckets. Think temperatures soaring past 40 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's hot, hot, hot. But don't worry, there's a silver lining. The winters are mild and pleasant, perfect for exploring all the amazing things Khairpur has to offer. And while the climate is generally dry, the monsoon season brings some much-needed relief during the summer months. So, when's the best time to visit? Honestly, it depends on your tolerance for heat, but no matter when you go, be prepared for the unexpected, because Khairpur's weather, much like the city itself, is full of surprises. So, there you have it, Khairpur in all its glory. This city, nestled in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From its rich history to its vibrant present, Khairpur offers a unique blend of experiences that captivate the soul. As the sun sets over the city, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, one can't help but feel a sense of tranquility and wonder. We've explored its royal past, delving into the stories of ancient palaces and historical buildings that stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. These structures, with their intricate designs and majestic facades, tell tales of a bygone era, of kings and queens, of battles fought and won, and of a culture that has stood the test of time. Immersed ourselves in its vibrant culture, where every festival, every dance and every song is a celebration of life. The cultural festivals of Khairpur are a riot of colors, sounds and emotions, offering a glimpse into the heart and soul of its people. Traditional dance performances with their rhythmic movements and vibrant costumes are a sight to behold, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those who witness them, and witness the raw beauty of its natural landscapes. From the serene desert scenery to the lush green fields, Khairpur's natural beauty is a testament to the wonders of nature. The vast expanses of the desert with their undulating dunes and golden sands offer a stark contrast to the verdant fields, creating a landscape that is as diverse as it is beautiful. But more than anything, we've experienced the warmth of its people, their resilience and their unwavering spirit. The locals of Khairpur, with their friendly smiles and welcoming nature, make every visitor feel at home. The bustling markets filled with the sounds of haggling and laughter are a testament to the vibrant community that thrives here. Their resilience in the face of challenges and their deep connection to their heritage are truly inspiring, and their deep connection to their heritage. The traditional craftsmen and local artisans of Khairpur are the keepers of its rich cultural legacy. Their skilled hands create masterpieces that are a blend of tradition and innovation, preserving the age-old techniques while adapting to the modern world. Watching them at work is a humbling experience, a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. Khairpur isn't just a city, it's a tapestry woven with threads of history, culture and natural wonder. Every street, every building and every person has a story to tell, a piece of the puzzle that makes up this incredible city. The aerial views of Khairpur, with its sprawling cityscape and picturesque landscapes, offer a bird's-eye view of this intricate tapestry, revealing the beauty and complexity of this unique destination. It's a tapestry woven with threads of history, culture and natural wonder. The historical sites and cultural landmarks of Khairpur are not just places to visit, they are experiences to be lived. Each one offers a glimpse into the past, a connection to the present, and a promise for the future. They are the threads that weave together the rich tapestry of Khairpur, creating a picture that is as beautiful as it is complex. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left, a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected destinations hold the most profound experiences. As you reflect on your journey through Khairpur, the memories of its sights, sounds and people will linger in your mind, a testament to the impact this city has on its visitors. The sunsets over Khairpur, with their breathtaking beauty, serve as a fitting end to a day of exploration and discovery. The most unexpected destinations hold the most profound experiences. Khairpur is one such destination, a hidden gem that offers a wealth of experiences for those willing to explore. From its historical sites to its cultural festivals, from its natural landscapes to its vibrant markets, Khairpur is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, set your sights on Khairpur, and embark on a journey that promises to be as enriching as it is exciting. The excitement of discovering a new place, the thrill of experiencing a new culture, and the joy of meeting new people await you in Khairpur. Add Khairpur to your travel bucket list and prepare to be amazed. This city, with its rich history, vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty, promises an experience like no other. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast or a nature lover, Khairpur has something for everyone. And prepare to be amazed. The stunning views, the fascinating tourist attractions and the warm hospitality of the locals make Khairpur a must-visit destination. Every corner of this city has something unique to offer. Something that will leave you in awe and make you want to come back for more. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures from around the globe. Your support helps us bring you more stories of incredible destinations like Khairpur. Share your experiences, inspire others to explore and join us on this journey of discovery. And subscribe for more adventures from around the globe. Peace out. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering and keep the spirit of adventure alive. See you on the next journey.